You can probably see in the background I had to put a new window in my truck topper, whatever you call it. My lawnmower threw a rock up and hit it last week, so I went ahead and put a new window in it, only I used plexiglass, and I needed a piece about 18 inches high, 5 foot wide. And I went to Home Depot, and the only piece I could get was almost twice that big. They wanted $80 for it. So right now I got $80 in that window. I only used $40 worth of material, but I've got half of it laying around. I don't know if I ever use it. But at least I got a window in it. And here's a video how I tried to do it. There's the glass. Still got to pick all that up yet. This is the tool I used to cut that plexiglass. I forget what they call the darn thing. I don't know, but anyway. Takes these little vibrating saw blades. Works pretty well. This would be about a 1/4 of an inch is going to go in the rubber. So after I marked it, I'm going to make it bigger. I stuck this down in the plastic, in the rubber. Give me my, and then I'm just holding it up here and marking it. This is you can see it after I sawed it out. That was what was left over. That and the other half of the sheet. This is actually the part that faces the cab of the truck. It was actually a little bit harder to do than I thought it would be. It's a little harder to put plexiglass in for me than the actual glass, because it's every time you wanted to push it, it keeps bending on you. But I got it in, so keep the snow out this winter. This is the inside after I finished. This rope just holds the topper down so it doesn't blow away when I'm not using it.